Today we're putting on a liftgate for PennState Dubois.
Pull the power cable coiled up inside the liftgate main thing. Oh. Oh, it's all in there? The license plate comes off of right here and it goes into the little spot under there. Oh, cool. These two zip ties. Alright, so the guy that did this zip tie right here, and what happens is he cut this off at such a nice angle that when you go to work on your vehicle and you stick your hand in there, it basically slices your entire hand open. And next thing you know, you're in the ER because of zip tie. So what we do with our zip ties, this one here I'll use as an example, is we have this tool here, which is what professionals use, people that actually know what they're doing. You put it on there, pull the trigger a couple times, and look, it leaves a nice clean cut. Can't cut yourself on it, and cuts off all the extra and tightens the zip tie all at the same time. Cool deal. You're not supposed to do this. It says right there.